Feeling the energy.
This one's for the people.
I am the
I can
people.
show you better than I can tell you. God, put your fists up in the air for Black power, cause you know we got that. Black power, it's the melanin in your skin. Black power, change the world, rise above. Black power, put your fists up in the air for Black power, cause you know we got that. Black power, it's the melanin in your skin. Black power, change the world, rise above.
Shout out to April. Shout out to everybody that came through supporting Black Bookstores, Megastar DVD, Megastar brand. We here. This is an event that's for a good cause. You know, me personally, I want to say that this event hits home for me personally because I was actually incarcerated myself. I have my son that's in the system right now, you know, so this really is a real serious situation. I know what incarceration feels like. I know what it feels like to be trapped in the system. I know what it feels like to lose your freedom and realize, you know, that we're being processed in the system like an assembly line, you know? This is why Wrongful Conviction Day really matters, because there's too many lives that's being destroyed by corruption, manipulation, greed, rush cases, bad representation, and abuse of authority, and the systems that profit off of human beings. A lot we don't realize the system was never truly designed to free us mentally, physically, spiritually, or any which way. We've been conditioned from birth, conditioned to chase survival, conditioned to work non-stop, conditioned to believe that death is normal, conditioned to believe that struggle is normal, conditioned to think that we're powerless against institutions. Meanwhile, the system is feeding off of the people. And I started to realize something after my own experience of incarceration in life. The whole structure operates like a business. Banks deal with securities. Government deal with securities. Courts deal with securities. Everything is paperwork, contracts, numbers, profits, and transactions. And too many people are unaware of their God-given, alienable rights. Amen. They don't teach us about sovereignty. They don't teach us about freedom. They don't teach us accountability on both sides of the courtroom. Because once beginning to question the system and questioning the laws and studying the bonds and studying the politics and studying the sentence, the illusion starts cracking. And that's why knowledge is power. Now let's be clear, I'm not standing here telling you to hate police, hate judges, and hate all prosecutors, but I'm saying this. Any system without accountability, dangerous. And when judges, prosecutors, lawyers, law enforcement institutions is committing fraud every single day, man, we gotta do something about it. We gotta hold them accountable to this. We have to understand the system. That's what it's all about. Just understanding it and making them held accountable the same way they're doing for you for a parking ticket and when you commit crimes. The government commits crimes and who's holding them accountable? It's you, the republic, the people. You know what I'm saying? You have to take the power back. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. I'm gonna cut it short and we're gonna jump into the song. I got more to say, but yo, this is a serious case right here. I hope people can really understand what I'm saying. Yeah. And let's tap it together. You know what I mean? Yeah. Talk to him, man.
Yo, nothing I regard this beautiful event and the black people that, not even black people, but people in general who are dealing with the massive incarceration rate that we have and so many wrongfully convicted individuals throughout the world, throughout the system, throughout the United States. And the high rate is our people, black and brown. It's more, we're the least part of the population, but we are the most incarcerated. And they can't, after 5,000 arguments, we can't be wrong about every single one. You know what I mean? We can't be wrong about every 5,000 arguments. So, with that being said,
the show begins. Let's go.
Things up and let the show begin. Make my thing.
fists up in the air for black power. Cause you know we got that.
Yeah, black power.
It's the melanin in your skin. Black power. Change the world, rise above.
Black power.
Put your fists up in the air for
Black power.
cause you know we got that. Black power. It's the melanin in your skin. Black power. Change the world, rise above. Black power. 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 Stand up, rise above for black power. 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 Put your fists up in the air for black power. Up in the air for
Black power. Even if the beat gone, it's black power. Always go a shower on them. Black power. Black hype. Black power. So a day, all night, black power.
check out that single. It's on all platforms. We got the video on YouTube, everything, and all iTunes and everything like that. You know, but yo, the bottom line is we gotta really understand that it's really us. It's all things us. I'm hearing this real. One thing we got in common, it's a blessing. I can only be a thugger when I'm finessing. Bring it up for black power, cause you feel the message. Throw it up for black power, cause you real. Put your face up in the air for black power. Black power, it's the melanin in your skin. Black power, change the world, rise above. Black power. Pessimistic, I'm in the getting more pain. Strong like an optimistic. In these last days, I was in my prayers, can't put one past me. With the energy of God, you can't last it. They work easy, they work just not cast me. I had to make it out the trips and time. I made both sides of the fences. Bullshit, I don't mean to be offensive. But when I say I meant it, it is what it is. Did a couple bids, now I live for the kids. In this parallel world, I'm free, no jail cell. Watch what I say, cause it's that real. I gotta keep a writing, meaning they scripting what you were living. Now Megastar ran like true religion. I'm hearing it's real, but we'll win elections. No, I'm not hip hop, I'm in a session. One thing I got in common, it's a blessing. I can only be a thugger when I'm finessing. Throw it up for black power when you in the session. Throw it up for black power, cause we're real. Put your